Ni hao. Mayong adlaw sa tanan karon naa na sa tay namawan na ako karon diri sa Robinson's Galleria. Padung ko sa food court. Tara maginamaw ta. Wow. 说要往风岭来Rakuten, Shoshin Fuji na Feng Wang na. 说要往风岭 food?
Food, yes, good.
Good?
Yes, good.
Korean?
Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Philippine? You Philippine?
Yes.
Delicious.
Yes. Which is the
说要往风岭na Rakuten, Shoshin Fuji?
Fuji Denzo.
Fuji?
Fuji Denzo.
相當往嚟，乃冷風嚟，
Newang New, Churang New.
乃風咯，乃嘅相當乃風內嚟啦，風那丁呢，先得乃風咯，先聽那 food，
Yes, food. Korean food. Yes, it's Korean food and drug.
food
Food, yes. Food.
no
Which is sale.
Philippine
Philippine.
The Korean food.
相對那往嚟，那Rakuten Shushin Fuji， yang 風嚟那，那對多乃風咯，
Yes, sir. Oh,
所以乃風嚟，那你好冇，相乃風咯 ，no。
Denzo. Now my brought coffee, they know?
Siyang tayo la kung na yun Rakuten Sushi Fuji. Siyang tayo na tongwang. May tongwang yun na tongwang na siyang na. No?
You speak English?
Small.
Yes, sir. It's coconut lunch.
Siyang shy lai fong no. Raktung tayo dating siyang tayo na.
Yeah.
No?
Only English.
Small. You Philippine?
Yes. Philippine
Hi.
one.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Yeah. Na
Ay,
siyang
kapuso, kapamilya.
ni hao mao siyang fang ne.
Mura ng babae no. Babae sa uman.
Ah, very nice.
No? No food?
Food. This one.
This one.
Good?
Yes, good for the health. Yes.
Philippine.
Philippine, yes.
Oy no me.
Yeah.
Oy no me. Oy no me food lang sing tawang ne.
Yeah.
Na yung phong ne na Rakuten. Sinay ta phong no ding sing tai lawang.
What's your vlog, sir? Your vlog?
Recording.
Ah, okay, recording.
1 month next to Taiwan.
Ah, okay. Hi, hello.
Yung phong ne juice. Juice.
Yes, we have juice.
Bestseller.
Yes, sir. We have
This one, sir.
we have peach and plum ate.
Try.
But what do
You
you
try.
like?
105. Only 105 each.
Delicious.
Yes.
Delicious, yes.
Okay, try. Sing tai lang wong ne Shushin Fuji na phong o. Rakuten na phong.
We don't speak your language.
1 month next to Taiwan. You Philippine?
Philippine, food and drug.
Food and drug?
Station, yes.
You?
Food and drug. Food is good. Food, drug.
Food drug?
Yes.
Shin China ne phong na foi na Philippine Yamani atani ala phong no.
Oh, lapang. Lapang.
La
Lapang,
phong
yes. Lapang.
La
Lapang food.
phong food.
Eat, yes.
La
Delicious.
phong food.
Yes.
La phong food ne shin ne na tong wang na nang Rakuten shin. Ni hao.
Meow, ma.
Choi yao lai phong ne.
Sorry?
Rong phong nang na
Are
Rakuten na.
you Chinese?
1 month next to Taiwan.
Next Taiwan, Romanese. Ah, okay.
You Philippine?
Filipino.
Philippine. Hi, Philippine.
Philippine, it's a country.
Philippine.
Filipina is the women who lives in the Philippines.
Food?
No.
We are Filipina.
Philippine. Philippine.
Filipina.
Philippine
Na.
na.
Yes, sir.
Food? Food?
No.
No?
Woman. Woman. Gender. Woman.
Ginger. Ginger.
Gender.
Ginger.
Gender.
Ginger food. Xin là
Ginger is
phong
a
này
food.
Philippine à xin Taiwan. Taiwan xin. No?
May na lang dito. May broad coffee to ako niya.
Philippine
Yes, yes. Food. Philippine feng shui.
Feng Shui.
Yes. Yes. Kawaii. Very kawaii.
Lami ilang kape diri mo.
Let's
Saan
see.
lagi ko vlogger dyan lagi. Kawawa dyan lagi.
Ay, wag ito.
Ah, kape jar bitaw.
So, just bulsa na.
Philippine ma'am.
Muli Philippine food and drug. Bomba.
Kape jar bitaw kami.
Vlog.
Alright guys, naari ko diri sa Gugu Manju. Nadamay si ma'am, bisi palit rag kape.
Ay, problema.
Content. Guys, kauban ako si Ma'am May, ang tagiya diri sa Gugu Manjo, diri sa Robinson's Galleria. Ma'am, unsay mga available flavors aning Gugu Manjo diri?
Daghan tag flavors karon kay strawberry, custard, chocolate, then among bago cream cheese, then nasa Thai ube.
Oh, daghan sa kapilian diri. Pwede ta mo order og assorted ana ma'am no.
Yes, pwede kaayo.
Sa drinks ma'am, unsay mga best sellers?
Ang best seller na sa drinks is nag-offer namin before of iso coffee. And then, karon namin mga bago sa K-Cafe, nag-offer sa Bubumanjo, natay Peach and Plum Ade. Then, ano siya ang bago na to, flavor karon.
Nasan mo'y coffee no?
Oh, nasa coffee,
Naasad.
iced coffee. Hi guys, mga bubumates. Kung namoy time, drop by sa Robinson Malls Galleria, level 4 ni. Saka nimo sa elevator sa 4th floor, makita din ninyo ang Gugu Manju.